You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this country once and for all correctly. That is to say, how it's said in Spanish, and we're going to look at how it's pronounced usually in English as well. Country in Central America and the name of a famous canal. The Spanish pronunciation is Panama, with a stress on the last syllable. It normally usually has an accent on the last A. Panama, and it's 3 times the A sound, okay? Now, Panama, Spanish. In English, Panama. So, pa, stress on the first syllable this time. Ne, a schwa sound. It's not an A, it's an sound. Panama. Panama is the English pronunciation, how to pronounce in English. Panama, in Spanish, Panama. Could you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.